The 2026 Honda Accord has arrived, and it's nothing like you remember. Gone are the conservative lines and simple grills. This new Accord is a tech-sculpted luxury machine inspired by European performance sedans, but reimagined with Honda's precision and elegance. From its illuminated Honda script to its digital cockpit, this is more than just a car. It's Honda's statement of the future. Now, let's explore this stunning new Accord from front to rear, inside and out. The front design of the 2026 Honda Accord is all about futuristic minimalism and digital identity. The traditional H badge is gone, replaced by illuminated Honda lettering that stretches across a razor-thin LED light bar. It's a bold, confident move that brings the Accord into the new light signature era seen across high-end luxury brands. The headlights are ultra-thin, seamlessly integrated into the upper grille structure, almost like precision laser slits. Beneath them, a wide, gloss-black intake forms a strong foundation, flanked by aero-sculpted vertical vents that add both aggression and aerodynamic purpose. The entire front fascia flows like a single continuous surface, reflecting light like a mirror-polished sculpture. It's both muscular and elegant, with that subtle Corvette ZR1-inspired stance that hints at power beneath its refined shape.
From the side, the 2026 Accord presents itself as a luxury fastback coupe rather than a traditional sedan. The roofline sweeps cleanly into the rear, forming a sleek, almost four-door coupe silhouette. The flush-mounted door handles and continuous shoulder line from headlight to taillight create a sense of motion even when standing still. The black floating roof with satin chrome trim adds a sophisticated European flair, while the large multi-spoke alloy wheels with polished edges fill the arches perfectly. The proportions are spot on, low, wide, and confident, exuding both elegance and performance. At the rear, the transformation continues into Honda's digital identity era. A single ultra-thin LED light bar stretches across the tail, linking the taillights into one continuous beam of light. In the center glows the illuminated HONDA script, a futuristic signature that replaces the old emblem and makes the car instantly recognizable at night. The tailgate surface is sculpted with clean, uninterrupted transitions, giving it a liquid metal smoothness. Below, the quad exhaust outlets are integrated neatly into a black diffuser, accented with brushed metal details. It's a design that combines power and precision, showcasing Honda's move toward performance-oriented luxury without unnecessary clutter. Under the hood, the 2026 Accord continues Honda's focus on intelligent performance. The heart of this sedan is a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering around 250 horsepower, paired with Honda's next-generation eHEV dual-motor system for seamless acceleration and remarkable fuel efficiency. For those craving more excitement, an Accord Type R hybrid variant is rumored to push power figures closer to 320 horsepower, blending electric torque with turbocharged energy for breathtaking yet efficient performance. Paired with active chassis control and adaptive suspension, this Accord promises a ride that's both composed and dynamic, combining the confidence of a grand tourer with the refinement of a luxury sedan. Step inside, and the 2026 Accord welcomes you to a space that feels more like a tech sanctuary than a traditional cabin. The dashboard flows in clean horizontal lines, enhanced by ambient LED lighting that traces across the interior with a soft, futuristic glow. A massive floating touchscreen dominates the center, blending seamlessly into the minimalist dashboard design, while the fully digital driver's display provides crisp, reconfigurable information right behind the steering wheel. The steering wheel itself carries the illuminated Honda emblem surrounded by backlit controls that feel modern and tactile. Every surface is wrapped in soft-touch leather with contrast red stitching, adding a sporty yet premium character. Brushed aluminum accents, Deep ambient lighting and noise-canceling insulation elevate the cabin to near luxury levels. It's quiet, spacious, and intuitively laid out, the kind of interior that turns every drive into a calming experience. The 2026 Honda Accord is expected to start around $33,000, with higher trims such as the Touring Hybrid or the potential Type R Hybrid stretching close to $50,000. At that price, it competes not only with the Toyota Camry Hybrid and Mazda 6, but even with entry-level German sedans like the BMW 3 Series or Audi A4. And yet, it delivers a unique blend of design, technology, and reliability that makes it stand apart. It's no longer just a family sedan. It's a refined statement of modern luxury designed for the digital era. The 2026 Honda Accord is sleek, intelligent, and absolutely stunning. This isn't the Accord your parents drove. It's the new flagship of Honda's futuristic vision, blending digital identity, performance, and elegance like never before. If this direction excites you, share your thoughts in the comments. Would you pick this over a BMW 3 Series or Lexus ES? And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more cinematic deep dives into the cars of the future.